Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are swatching the new Zoya Abundance collection for spring 2022. We have some beautiful shades in here, all actually in my kind of color range that I really like. A lot of soft romantic colors, and one shade even has shifty shimmer and holographic glitter. We're going to see how you feel about that as you watch me swatch it in a few minutes. So I was sent these polishes for review, but of course all opinions are my own as always. But I will link in the description bar below where you can go to purchase these beautiful new polishes. And let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, let's get into it. We're going to start with Ellis. We go in alphabetical order here. In case you're new, welcome. I hope you subscribe and enjoy yourself and find this to be a helpful video. So I'm going to be doing a live application swatch, 2 coats of each polish on my natural nails. And I just got to let you guys know right up front, I really liked this collection. Now, whether or not these colors seem like things that you already have in your collection, my opinion of it is that these are fantastically formulated, gorgeous. Look at that saturated color, so beautiful. So that's Ellis. So it's almost like a mix between a berry and a fuchsia. It's so good. So this is the one different polish out of the collection. As you can see, this is kind of like a larger particle shimmer, and the shimmer shifts between purple and blue. I'm going to show you that shift here in just a second. It has at least 2 different sizes of silver holographic glitter. Now, whether you like a formula that has a dense shimmer and glitter together, that's up to you. As you can see, it's going on pretty well. It does have that very typical issue with polishes that have shimmer and glitter. I am distracted by what my finger was like, just there for a second. I'm trying to show you guys the shift in the shimmer. So overall, it looks beautiful. Is it going to possibly look like a little tiny lumpy because of those glitters interacting and kind of like fighting with the shimmer? Maybe, but I think it's a really fun polish, and I'm really happy that Zoya is trying things like this. It's moving a little bit more towards indie polish fun, so I did like the polish. For me, I probably won't seek to wear it that much just because I have a lot of other similar things that I find are formulated better from indie brands, but I appreciate that Zoya is doing it. This is the first of 2 rose shades. So we had that really deep berry, then we have this very light pale rose, and then we're going to have like a medium one in the middle. This one's called Gwen. In my brain, this is for Gwen Stefani. It is really soft and beautiful, and I like that look on my nails. Really cute. So as I said before, this is just 2 coats. This is just 3 coats. No, it's just 2 coats of each of the polishes on my nails for the full hand swatch as well. This is Kit. It's just a really beautiful kind of muted, like medium tone rose. It's got like a little bit of earthiness in there, so I think it's really nice, a gorgeous, easy, like wearable shade. If I was looking for a shade to send my sister and I want her to have something both very feminine but very office friendly, she works in a dentist's office, this is probably what I would go with. It's beautiful, but it's also super appropriate for like any occasion. This is Lena. This one had a surprise satin formula. This was what's on my thumb. I actually kind of wish that I would have taken my full hand swatch with top coat because I think it looks a lot better glossy. Also, surprise, it's a different formula. It's kind of a squishier, crelly formulation on this vivid kind of violet shade. And even though I was surprised that they did this kind of looser formula with this one and that it dries satin, it is so gorgeous at 2 coats. It's really bright, and this is my preferred look for it right here. I wanted to show you how it looks naturally though, but I don't know that it's really meant to be kind of like satin matte. So I would gloss it up. I love that one. Last but not least, we have Tyler. I adore this shade, along with the entire collection, you guys. I think they did a great job here with formula, with the color palette, with just this really soft, romantic experience for their spring 2022 collection. This is like in between a royal blue and a navy. I think it is so lovely. So I totally recommend this collection to you. I really enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Alright guys, so that was Zoya Abundance. Was it abundant enough for you? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you back for the next video very soon. Bye!